Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have y'all ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of my boy, the Buffalo Picker? Yeah, watch the Defend the Hustle on Friday nights on YouTube. Have you ever heard of Blood, Sweat, and Sell? You're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What kind of stuff is that? Have you ever heard of my boy D from Fundamentals of the Side Hustle and Regina Renee? You got to watch the Wednesday Hump Day. You know what I'm saying? They got a show on YouTube on Wednesdays. Watch that. Have you ever heard of my boy, the Texas Lone Star Picker? Yeah, they had a problem down there in Texas. You know, I hope my boy's surviving. You know what I mean? But watch his channel too, Lone Star Picker. Well, you know, this Kevin from St. Louis, and I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all. Yeah, this Kevin from St. Louis. Today I'm gonna make a little video about my boy Buffalo Picker. Yeah, he sent me a gift box. I don't know why he did that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe because he rich. You know what I mean? But I don't know. All I know is I appreciate these resellers out here. You know, I had COVID, and I didn't really tell nobody until I was about 2.5, 3 weeks in. You know what I'm saying? Then I started getting on these shows again, but I still haven't been right since it happened. But he found out I had COVID, and he sent me a care pack, some kind of package. I don't know what's in it. I haven't opened it yet. I had it for a day now. See what that say, Buffalo Picker? Yeah. So we get ready to open it to see what Buff sent me. With Big Buff. I call him Buff. You know what I'm saying? Because he kind of buffy. You know what I'm saying? I used to look like him when I was his age, when I was 22. You know what I mean? But, yeah, we finna open this up. See what's in it. See what kind of content is in here. But I really appreciate, you know, these resellers out here. You know, the reseller community is good, especially Buffalo Picker. You know, I like his show. You can watch him on YouTube on Buffalo Picker site. You can watch him, you know, on the Buffalo Picker channel. Whoa, woo! Look at this. I don't know about the new WW. I don't even know what they call it, WWE or W, whatever it is. I don't know about the new stuff, but I got a whole lot of old stuff. But this was in the box right here. Yeah. I'm never selling this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a memento. It's, you know, money, it means a lot to me, but I'd rather keep stuff for memories, you know what I mean? Buffalo sent me this, I'm going to keep it. I don't even know how much it's worth, whatever. I don't even know if he want me to sell it. But anyway, I'm keeping it. Oh, he sent me two of them. They the same. They the same. This is the Elite Collection. Yeah, I don't know what just happened, but I don't know what. Anyway, whatever. This phone going crazy. So thanks, Buff. Thanks for these. You know, I don't even watch wrestling no more. You know, I started watching wrestling with my kids a long time ago when the UFC came out. You know what I'm saying? I started watching wrestling then. But anyway, I really appreciate these, Buff. I'm not selling them, man. So I don't know what you want me to do with them. I'm keeping them because you didn't have to do this. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate it. You know, I'm going to be serious for a minute. You know, I appreciate it, man. You know, that you all watch out for everybody. You know, but go on his channel. He like Barbies. You know, that's all he do is Barbies most of the time. But anyway, he got this one video out that I watched. When he got this. He just tell you about these Barbies that he put on. He put Barbies on Amazon. Anyway, stacks and stacks of Barbies. You know, and I think he sold them within a week or within a couple of days. He sold all these Barbies. But anyway, y'all watch his channel. He got some good content on Fridays. You know, you can go on there. They talk about financial stuff. They talk about how to be on Amazon, and it's just a real good communication when you can communicate with people that's doing the same thing you doing, you know, and living the life you live, and you can understand, you can learn a whole lot of stuff from these people. You know, I've been doing this since 1982, and I don't even know half the stuff they know. You know what I mean? And they haven't been doing it that long. You know, so I learned a lot from these people. You know what I'm saying? I had problems with certain things, and I go on there and listen. I learn stuff. I learn bolos. I learn different things. You know, and I take them and I work with them. You know what I'm saying? So I want to thank you again, Buff, for these. And this whole video is about you. You know what I'm saying? So y'all go watch, you know, Buffalo Picker on YouTube, and on Friday nights, try to tune in on YouTube when he have his live show. Defend the hustle. Woo! You gotta defend that hustle all the time, every day. Woo! Ain't that right, Big Buff? You gotta defend the hustle all the time, every day, and you gotta be on the hustle. You know what I'm saying? As soon as COVID was over for me, where was I going? I went out to my favorite thrift stores and I found some good stuff. But anyway, this hat right here, brand new. I don't wear no Air Force stuff, but brand new Nike hat. I ain't put it on eBay. This thing worth $30. I ain't put it on eBay. Certain stuff I keep, you know, and I'm keeping the Big Buff stuff. But anyway, y'all, this Kevin from St. Louis. It's just one show about what Big Buff sent me for having COVID. I don't know. Anyway, I thank you, Big Buff. Hey, y'all, if you like this content, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I don't give a damn about that thumbs down. I don't give a damn. You can keep that. But anyway, make comments, do whatever you want. You know, tell me when I'm doing wrong, whatever. Tell me if my beard crooked, whatever. Whatever you want to say. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I've been picking since 2002. And all I got to do is say, defend the hustle, y'all. Woo! This is Kevin for St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo! That we pickin' the hood too. Yeah! Peace!